Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're setting our sights on a truly special and exclusive machine, the 2024 Lamborghini Invencible. This isn't your average Lamborghini, it's a one-of-a-kind masterpiece built to celebrate the brand's iconic V12 engine. That's right, the Invencible is a for the naturally aspirated V12 before Lamborghini charges into the hybrid era. Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the design, performance, and exclusivity of this phenomenal machine. The Invencible stuns with an aggressive, aerodynamic design that screams pure Lamborghini. The sculpted carbon fiber body with red accents is a sight to behold. Keen eyes will spot design cues that pay homage to Lamborghini's rich heritage. The scissor doors, for example, feature a subtle Italian flag tribute. Every inch of the Invencible is testament to bespoke craftsmanship. Lamborghini worked closely with the owner to create a car that reflects their personality and taste. This level of personalization makes the Invencible not just a car, but a rolling work of art. Under the hood lies the beating heart of the beast, a monstrous 6.5-liter V12 engine. Horsepower figures haven't been officially revealed, but rumors suggest it surpasses the 769 horsepower of the Aventador. Mated to a 7-speed ISR gearbox and Lamborghini's advanced all-wheel drive system, the Invencible promises an exhilarating driving experience. Imagine ferocious acceleration, the mind-bending grip, and the intoxicating roar of that V12 engine. This is a car built for those who crave the raw, unadulterated thrill of a supercar. Interior. The Invencible's interior is a luxurious haven crafted from the finest materials. Clean lines and a minimalist dashboard with hexagonal 3D printed air vents create a driver-focused atmosphere. Everything is designed to keep your attention on the road and the exhilarating experience ahead. Just like the exterior, the cabin is completely customizable. The Invencible in this video features a stunning contrast of red and black leather with Alcantara accents and personalized embroidery. It's a testament to the unmatched level of detail and personalization Lamborghini offers. The Invencible is more than just a car, it's a symbol. It marks the end of an era for Lamborghini and celebrates the incredible legacy of the V12 engine. It's a reminder of the pure, unadulterated driving pleasure that only a naturally aspirated V12 can deliver. While Lamborghini embraces the future with hybrid technology, the Invencible ensures that the thrilling roar of the V12 will forever be etched in the hearts of automotive enthusiasts. So, what do you think of the Lamborghini Invencible? Is it a fitting farewell to the V12 era? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you love exclusive, high-performance machines, then be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing car content.